Finally back making knife videos again. And yeah, so this series is going to be a bit of stock removal. I'm using a big circular saw blade, the one without the carbide tips. It's just straight steel. I have no idea what steel it is. Some people have said it's L6 and stuff like that, but all I know is this steel is insane. You'll see at the end. It is incredible how sharp, and the edge retention on it is just crazy. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and stick around till the end. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. If also if I can get a few likes from you guys, that would be sweet. The more likes I get, the further this videos will go, and bring in some more subscribers. I'd really appreciate that. So without further ado, let's go make a knife. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think it says cordwood and then S. I don't know what that is. If anyone has any info on this, please let me know. Just so you guys know, there's a clamp here, right there. Just so it doesn't spin and cut my hand off. Okay, so I figured this stuff in by itself is already really thin. So instead of me grinding the bevels in, I'm going to harden this right now. And then I'll do all the finishing work, clean up, and bevels after. Hand sanding, the works. So, wish me luck. Let's do this. Okay, here we go. Beautifully straight still. Hope that hardened in oil. Let's see. I can see Martin's sight. It's a good one. Let's see. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, so I tempered this at it was 380 for an hour and a half. Nice and golden. So I'm going to use a poor man's blue Dicom and get where the center line of my edge is. I don't know if I showed it in the video, but I do normalize this 3 times before I go in for the quench. Obviously, just I don't want anything to crack. But so far it's come out looking rather nice. Right, so when I set up my plunge line here, I do a really aggressive primary bevel, both sides to even it out on the line. Then I sand on the one side. This one's high enough for now. I'm going to start on the other side. I'll bring you guys back when I'm satisfied with my bevels, and we'll go from there. There it is. 750 grit satin finish. Whew. Next up is probably my least favorite part. Sun bleached elk antler for the scales. Now, secret of this stuff, if you put this on a belt sander, the smell that comes off of it is amazing. I'm lying. Okay, here comes the nasty again. There we go. Now for the liners and glue up. Woo! Almost done. Well, do I have some bad news for you guys? But there's a silver lining. I'll show you in a sec. So the knife is done. Here it is. Sharp. Okay. Here comes the cool part. Okay. There it is. So bad news is, remember I used purple liners? These are green. The last part you guys saw me do is clean up the spine of the knife on the belt sander. As soon as I was done there, I looked at the knife and I'm like, wow, these liners are off. One side's thicker than the other side. So I thought, okay, I can't let this go like this. It's a gift. I could have just given it like that, but I had to do something about it. So I thought to myself, let's take the scales off and put extra felt on the one side, you know, thicken it up a bit. So I went into the inside workshop and I tried to drill the pins out. It skipped a bit and then jumped into the scale and I drilled the scale. So I thought, okay, I'll just put new scales on. So I beat it with a hammer, profusely. I don't know if you can see the damage to it. Still, I couldn't get the scales off. So then, in my infinite wisdom, I turned it around and used the peening part. As soon as the first hammer blow came down, it snapped. This is some tough stuff. So I had to make a new knife. There it is. I'll do a reveal in a second. Hope you guys like the build. This steel is incredible. I love it. I can't wait to make more out of it. And you guys are gonna come along for the ride, I guess. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, time for the reveal.